What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I know you're seeing this makeup like third video in a row. I am so sorry about that. It's just that I am planning on going on vacation. I may be on vacation right now, and I will need to make at least 8+ videos for you guys in advance. And with that said, I do have some haul that I actually have been collecting, and I just wanted to go ahead and throw that all in one and share with you guys my drugstore haul video. It includes some of the purchases that I did at Walgreens, some at Ulta store, and some from the Palladio.com. And I'm super excited. For those who do not know, I'm now on Instagram, so definitely go ahead and give me a follow there as MakeupDilse. It's where most action happen if I'm on vacation, if I am on the go. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video. So the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about, I am super excited about this. Like, how excited I am? So much. Like, I have been using my Nutrasonic, you guys. This is a cleansing system brush. Brush starting to give me like problems. Like, I would have it on charge all day long and it still wouldn't work when I wanted to work. And the plug also was kind of falling apart. Always had my heart set on Clarisonic, you guys. You know where I'm going with this, right? And I am super excited, you guys. I know the best time would have been during holidays because I could have gotten more for my bucks, but it was a desperate moment. I had to purchase this now, and this right here is the Clarisonic Mia 2, and this is the color I went for. This is the bubblegum pink color that I'm calling, and that's what that is, you guys. But if you guys are interested in and want to see this baby in action, leave a comment down below and also give me a thumbs up, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. It feels so soft, so luxurious, so cute and adorable, and so fancy. What is this? How do you charge this? Oh, made for each other. This is cool. This is awesome. That out of the way, I also wanted to go ahead and share with you guys, this is my natural washed hair. I only straightened these strands out here, and everything else you see is just natural. But I do want to let you know, my hair used to be very frizzy and curly and very like, had a lot of texture to it, and it would look very lifeless, till I was actually told about this shampoo right here, and I thought, what a good opportunity to share this with you guys. This one right here is Redken, sulfate free Frizz dismiss, and every time this is on sale, I always get like a shampoo and a conditioner. So this right here is my stock, but I love having a pump onto it, which makes it more convenient, but I'll just go ahead and share that with you guys. The next product I have here is actually, I have two of them. These right here are Wetnwild Mega Liner Liquid Liner. The shade I have here is Electric Purple. I could have used that today, huh? Would have been perfect. But then again, who wouldn't want to experiment with a liquid lipstick? I had fun doing that as well. This one right here is just your straight up black, and I cannot wait to see how that will work. This is actually a new product from Wetnwild. Depending on when I upload this video, it may not be that new at that moment. So it is something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. The brush is like a felt tip liner. That is black. That is straight up black, and look how nice that is. That is very fine liner. I'm gonna have fun with this, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the other one, as this one looks a little bit more drier than the other one. Yep, see how dry that is? Next product I have here from Wetnwild is actually two of their palettes. This one right here is the Rose in the Air, and then I have the shade called Not a Basic Peach. This one right here I purchased within Walgreens. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatches for you in the end, so stay tuned for that. I have the other palette which I have yet to swatch it. Guys, so this right here is the second palette. The palette itself feels a little bit cheap, but however, I want to really see what the shadows look like, and that is all that matters to me. The pressed powder photo focus, the shade I have here is Tan Beige. I always wanted to purchase this, but not online, because you couldn't really tell which shade would match me. If it is lighter, then I'm probably gonna use under my eyes and stuff like that, but I don't think so. It may be a good idea for my face. It is a little lighter, so we may just use it for the under eyes as a brightener or something like that. My Pampers stink. Ugh. It reminds me of Delhi's, you know, Nala or something, you know? But okay. The product I have from Wetnwild is this gel lip liner. The shade I have here is Lay Down the Mauve. Wait. That doesn't look the same. This one's more like a nude color, but then the box is more so of a, okay, and then now this is a whole different story. I wouldn't call it a mauve, this is more like a nude color, that's what that is. But hey, I'm not complaining, it's pretty and it's a keeper. And it was easy to apply with. So that's what that is. Love the packaging, you guys, very nice. I purchased at Ulta, you guys. I am running low on it. Not only that, I actually broke the packaging. It actually kind of split. This one right here is Makeup Revolution London Cover and Conceal Ultra Cover Concealer Palette. The shade I have here is medium dark. This I love so much. I actually use this palette on a daily basis, is why the other one actually broke on me. And if I can just open this. This is very affordable, you guys. $4.95, I believe, around $5 is what I paid for it, and this is what that looks like. This comes with your 8 concealer shades, with for my skin tone, I would say 3 shade would be for concealing, 4 to actually brighten and highlight, and then I have 1 shade to contour, and this is why I picked medium to deep shade for me, just so I can work with all the shades that are within this palette. It also comes with a decent size of mirror that I really love. Travel friendly, very sleek and sturdy. Pacifica Body Coconut Lip Balm, vegan and cruelty free, you guys. It straight up smells coconut and just like a pina colada or something like that. It smells so amazing. And this one right here is Pacifica Indian Chai Lip Balm, vegan and cruelty free. You guys, I could never find this one right here within Ulta store, so I had to purchase this Ulta.com. It smells like your typical Indian desi masala chai with spices. For my non-Indian viewers, like, we have a regular chai, but then we have a spice chai, so we would have some sort of not cayenne pepper, but like some other spices into it, and that's what it smells like, and that smells so good, so freaking good. This right here, I actually paid $5, as well as the palettes are for $5. I purchased one of the palette at Ulta.com and one of the palette at Walgreens. The next purchase I have here is by Palladio, but look how chic is this. This is how I received the package from Palladio, you guys, and I was so happy. I received it in a timely manner, and then you get your little note card that also tells you how you can show off your product. These are some of the new goodies Palladio actually has that I would be definitely doing in my first impression review and tutorial for you guys in my upcoming videos. The first thing I really wanted to purchase was Palladio Island Vibes. I do not own a eyeshadow palette from Palladio Cosmetics, and this one right here is just so fun, and that's why I purchased this. I'll probably have to work with another palette to create a look out of this palette, because this one is, most of the shades are shimmery. Actually, all of them are shimmery except for this one right here, and then this transition shade right over here. And it does come with a dual-ended sponge applicator that I really toss and trash because I don't like these. And that's what that is, you guys. I'm super excited about this. It actually looks very pretty, and definitely stay till the end. I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches for you guys on this. For this palette right over here, which is called Paradise, I paid $11.20 on their website. Next product I have here is the Palladio. This is their contour and highlight palette. I thought it'll be a little bit bigger than this, but then I'm not too mad about it because this is perfect and travel friendly, you guys. And let's get this baby out. That's what that looks like. How chic is that, right? You have your under eye brighteners. You also have a little bit of a highlight. Then you have your contour shades right over here. And then there's a bonus, you guys. For the amount of money that you pay for this, you are actually getting a mirror. And for the contour, you guys, I paid another $11.20. The next product I have here is the Palladio Blush. This is the Mosaic Powder Blush and Bronzer, they call it, but I'll probably call it as a blush because it may not show up as a bronzer for me. This one right here is Desert Rose, and that's what that looks like, you guys. It has like tiles of colors and then has a little bit of bronzer into the center. Maybe that's what they're talking about, but not complaining. I still love this. It looks very pretty. Blush. I paid about $6.40 for this Mosaic Blush right over here, and I believe if you sign up, you can also get some sort of coupon as well, and that's what that is. I totally forgot I purchased a new highlighter. This one right here is Vivid Baked Highlighter by Makeup Revolution. The shade I have here is Radiant Lights, you guys, and that's what that looks like. The only highlighter I own from Makeup Revolution is the holographic one, and I really love that one. That's what that looks like. It feels very soft upon touch, and there's the highlight, you guys. it feels very, very smooth and luxurious highlight. I have another product which is from Pacifica. This is Super Flower Rapid Response Face Oil Rose and Blue Tansy. You guys, this smells amazing. If you like henna, you cannot go wrong with this. And I love the fact that it actually does hydrate my skin. It actually does make my makeup last longer and makes it go on very smoothly. And I really cannot ignore the fact that the fragrance of this is just, it just wakes me up, especially in the morning time. So I really love this. It comes with a dropper. Love the packaging to apply it to your clean skin, and it is for all skin types. For those who are new to my channel, I want to go ahead and let you know that I like to do the swatches onto my bare skin with no product on, no lotion, no water, no setting spray, no primer, just so you can see the true pigmentation of the actual product. I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches for it. Is the Palladio Island Wipe. Alright you guys, so these right here are the swatches for the Island Vibes palette by Palladio Cosmetics, you guys. I had no problem swatching them whatsoever. Next product I want to go ahead and swatch is actually the bronzer blush from Palladio Cosmetics. And just mix all of these shades because that is how I'm going to be using it. This is what that blush looks like. It's your peach blush with pink undertone to it. And guys, it's actually Palladio contour product and the brightener. Very smooth. Look at the pigmentation. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the swatches. Wow! So that's what that looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do the swatches for the highlighter as well. And that's what that looks like, you guys. Again, not chalky at all. So I really cannot wait to play with these and see how they actually work on top of the makeup. Next palette I want to swatch is Roses in the Air, and I really am digging these shades right over here, like to dive. I think this palette is worth $5. One is not a basic peach palette. Whoa! That is stunning! Wow. Very pretty transition shade. So again, this right here is a $5 palette as well. And I feel like this is a very fun palette. Like it has everyday basic shades, but then it still has that pop of color for you as well. So alright you guys, so that right there pretty much concludes all of my drugstore haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done so by clicking to your right. If you have any questions, suggestion, any requests, which palette you want to see first, definitely leave that down in the comment box below and I'll definitely do my first impression review swatches. Well, we've already done the swatches. My first impression reviews and also the tutorial on a look for you guys on that palette. And other than that, I love you guys and I'll definitely see you next time. Bye bye!